Meet the ultimate driving machine, the BMW 340i. But how do you keep this beauty looking flawless mile after mile?
This car deserves the tender care and protection that it truly deserves. We are going to apply the eco range of paint protection film from Covrgard on this particular car.
Our expert team ensures every edge is covered, every detail perfected, delivering a finish that's second to none.
I've been a customer of Kriti Car Care from nearly 6 years now. I've got various forms of mobility wrapped by them.
Protection, perfection, performance. This is what your car deserves.
Hi, welcome to Kriti Car Care. We have today a BMW 340i with us, which has come in for paint protection film. This car deserves the tender care and protection that it truly deserves. We are going to apply the eco range of paint protection film from Covrgard on this particular car. You can witness the paint protection film application process in this video.
To obtain a perfect finish, preparation is key, and every detail definitely matters. A thorough wash and cleaning sets the stage for a flawless finish. The panels are thoroughly inspected, paint correction is done wherever necessary, and then the panels are polished to get a nice glossy finish before the paint protection film is applied. For the PPF application, the precision is a key aspect. The paint protection film is meticulously cut to shape of the panels, and each stroke of the squeegee ensures the film is applied to form an invisible layer on each curve and shape of the panels. Daily drives, harsh environmental elements. Our road conditions threatens the pristine finish. The paint can be protected with our Covrgard Eco Paint Protection Film and retain the pristine finish for many years to come. Our expert application team ensures that every inch of the PPF is applied with accuracy and perfection. From meticulous surface preparation to seamless alignment, we take extra care to eliminate bubbles, wrinkles, and misalignment. Each panel is carefully wrapped using advanced techniques, ensuring a flawless, nearly invisible finish. With years of experience and a keen eye for detail, We guarantee that the PPF not only protects, but also enhances the beauty of your vehicle. The PPF has been applied to the body panels, while a carbon fiber PPF was used for the mirrors. And select interior piano black panels have also been protected with PPF for added durability and a premium finish. Have no fear of the day-to-day damages inflicted on your car. With this PPF, the BMW 340i is now fully protected.
Hi, I'm Sandeep. I've been a customer of Kriti Car Care from nearly 6 years now. I've got various forms of mobility wrapped by them with their PPF, starting with my cycle, a couple of motorcycles, and of course, cars as well. It's been 6 years, and even my cycle, which I use on a weekly basis through all dirt and, slush, the PPF is still intact. And, the confidence that I got because of that keeps me coming back to have the other vehicles done. The other reason why I come back here is because I'm quite sure of the kind of PPF they use. The market has many varieties, especially given the stiff competition, but you're never quite sure what you're going to get. So here, given my past experience over the years, I'm quite sure that I'll get a reasonably good PPF, despite Kriti never giving me a good discount. But at the end of the day, we're both happy with the job, and that's why I keep coming back.
In this video, you have witnessed the paint protection film application process on this BMW 340i. You can have your car protected too with the top quality PPF which Covrgard and Kriti as a combo offers. As a customer, do your research about the PPF because the market is flooded with a lot of low cost PPF options. What this invariably does is, it will destroy the paint. You're actually doing the paint protection film to protect your paint, not to destroy it. Always opt in for a top quality PPF. That is what exactly Covrgard offers. With Covrgard, we have got you covered. Do watch, like and share our videos and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.